raw onions, an excellent remedy available in almost every household, are easily accessible in India. They have incredible benefits. If your eyesight is weak, your hair is falling excessively or turning grey prematurely, listen carefully to this information. Prior to describing its usage and advantages, if you're a true admirer of Ayurveda, kindly like the video and follow our channel. I genuinely wish that if you have queries about any health issue, you will share them in the comments so I can address them all. Consuming raw onions as a salad reduces stomach heat. Mixing equal parts of onion juice, honey and lemon juice and applying it to the eyes helps with cataracts and weak vision.